Hello students, welcome to AS Engineering Academy. Myself YV Ramaya. I have been working as full-time faculty with AS Engineering Academy since 2012 for COA and DLD subjects, especially for CSE branch. I am here for providing the CSE stream for 2021 GATE solutions for both CO and DLD subjects. Let's start up. Questions are like this. Observe this question. If x and y are two decimal digits, x is a decimal digit and y is also a decimal digit, and 0.1101 with base 2 equal to 0.8xy5 with base 10. The decimal value of x plus y is dash. Numerical answer question it is. First of all, find x value and y value, then summation doesn't matter. Here given value is in binary, convert the same thing into decimal because its equivalent value is given in decimal. That's why given value is 0.1101 the base 2. Find the decimal value for the same. 2 power 0 means 1 by 2. 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. 1 by 8 is not needed to write because its position value is 0. 0 into something becomes 0. What about LCM here? 16, 8 plus 4 plus 1, nothing but 13 by 16. What about the decimal value for 13 by 16? 13 by 16 is nothing but 0.8125. Utilize calculator services. Utilize calculator services. 13 divided by 16. It provides 0.8125 value in decimal. What he gave? Equalize this one with the given value. In this, it is equivalent to 2. Observe this. 0.8xy5 means, observe this. Here, 1 is equal to x and 2 is equal to y. That's why what about x value? X value is equal to 1. What about y value? Y value is equal to 2. He asked for the x plus y. That's why correct answer is 3. Our correct answer is 3. Observe this question. Which one of the following circuits implements the Boolean function below? What about our target Boolean function? F of xyz is equal to m0 plus m1 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5 plus m6, where m1 is the ith minterm, m0 means 0 minterm, m1 means first minterm, like that. 4 options are given. Our target minterms are 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about target minterms? Solution is like this. Solution. Solution is like this. What about target minterms? F of x, y, z is equal to sigma m, sum of minterms. What these are? 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 also. Okay, 4 options are given. Which one satisfies? In this, if you observe option A, what about the expression given by option A? First find the expression given by option A, then find the respective minterms. For this, Y and Z are selection lines, 0, 1, 2, 3 are inputs. For these binary inputs, X, 1, X bar, 1 are applied. For that, write the expression directly. When YZ are 0, 0, which one is selected? 0 is selected. Then X is available to this. YZ are 0, 0 means Y bar, Z bar. So what about first term? First term for option A. Observe this. Here X is selected. When YZ are 0, 0 means X, Y bar, Z bar plus for 0, 1. 1 is selected. 0, 1 means Y bar Z. Y bar Z into 1, Y bar Z. 1, 0 means Y Z bar. Then X bar is selected, means X bar, Y, Z bar. X bar, Y, Z bar. 1, 1 means YZ. YZ is 1, 1. Then what happens? YZ into 1, YZ. It is the expression. For this expression, find the minterms. For this, shortcut is there. Observe this one. Write X, Y, Z like this. X, Y, Z. What about first term? X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Sorry, X. X, Y bar, Z bar. X, Y bar, Z bar means X is 1. These two are 0, nothing but M4, small M4. Next, what about next one? Y bar Z. Y bar Z means X is not given, means don't care. Y bar means 0, Z means 1. Don't care can be 0 or 1, means if it is 0, 0, 0, 1, what you get? 1. Next, if it is 1, 1, 0, 1, what you get? 5. Means M1, M5. For this, what you are getting? M4 plus, for this, M1 plus M5 plus. What about next one? X bar, Y, Z bar. X bar, Y, Z bar means 0, 1, 0 means M2. What about next one? YZ. YZ means X is don't care. 1, 1. What these are? 0, 1, 1 M3 plus 1, 1, 1 M7 means M3 and M7. M3 plus M7. So finally, sigma M, what it delivers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. But what about our target? 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it does not match. So it is incorrect. That's why it is false. Okay. What about option B? Go for next page. Check once. Okay, now go for next page. What about option B? Observe this. Here, X bar is selected when YZ are 0, 0, means X bar, Y bar, Z bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar, plus, observe once again. Next, what about this? This one is selected for 0, 1 inputs, means Y bar Z into 1, Y bar Z. Y bar Z plus, what about next one? Here. This X is selected when these inputs are 1, 0. 1, 0 means Y Z bar. So x, y, z bar plus this one is selected when yz inputs are 1, that's why yz into 1 yz. So what about the min terms produced by this one? I am going to write min terms directly. Observe this. 0, 0, 1, 0, what it is, m0 plus here, don't care, 0, 1. What does it mean? Don't care means can be 0 or 1, means m1 or m5, m1, 0, 0, 1, m1, 1, 0, 1, m5 plus for this 1, 1, 0 means m6 next plus what about this yz means don't care 1, 1 means m3 or m7 ym3 0, 1, 1 m3 1, 1, 1 m7. So finally what are the options? Sigma m. What are the min terms? Sigma m 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. What about our target min terms? Target min terms are 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. But second option gave this one. That's why it is also false. What about option C? Observe option C. In this one is selected when these are 0, 0. This one is selected when these are 0, 1. Means for 0, 0, 1 is selected. Means y bar z bar into 1 y bar z bar. Later for 0, 1 again 1 is selected. Y bar z into 1 y bar z. First one is y bar z bar. Next one is y bar z. Y bar z bar plus y bar z plus, observe this one, for selecting x input, yz input should be 1, 0. 1, 0 means yz bar. That's why x, y, z bar. X, y, z bar plus finally x bar is selected when yz inputs are 1, 1. That's why x bar yz bar yz. Then what about the min terms for this? Observe this. These are 0, 0, don't care. Means m0 plus m4. 0, 0, 0, m0. 1, 0, 0, m4. What about this? Don't care. 0, 1 means m1 plus 1, 0, 1, m5 plus 1, 1, 0, m6 plus 0, 1, 1, m3. So what are min terms here? Min terms are nothing but 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got these min terms. Observe the target min terms. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got also same. It is true. But it is true. Better to check. Better to check option D. Option D also. What about option D? First two are 1. For first one is selected when yz inputs are 0, 0. Second one is selected when yz inputs are 0, 1. That's why. What about first term? Y bar z bar into 1, y bar z bar. Second one, y bar z into 1, y bar z. First one, y bar z bar plus y bar z plus x bar is selected when yz inputs are 1 0 means x bar y z bar y z bar plus finally this x is selected when yz inputs are 1, when yz both inputs are 1, that's why it is nothing but xyz. What about the minterms for this? Here y bar z bar means 0 0, don't care, means m0 plus m4 plus again 0 1, it is don't care, then m1 plus m5, 0 means 1, here 1 means 5, plus 0 1 0 means m2 plus 1 1 1 means m7. That means what about the minterms here? Minterms are 0 1, minterms given by option D are 1 0 1 2 4 5 7. But what about our target minterms? Target minterms are 0 1 3 4 5 6, but it gave 0 1 2 4 5 7, so it is also false. So what about correct option? Correct option is this one. It is correct. So option C is correct. Observe this question. Consider the Boolean function f of wxyz, 4 variable function, such that f of w00z is equal to 1. That one provides 1. Next, f1x1z provides x plus z. fw1yz provides wz plus y. The number of literals in the minimal SOP of function is, f means here function. He asked the number of literals in the minimal SOP expression of this function. Number of literals he asked. Okay, now in this, it is, solution is like this. Since it is 4 variable function, for understanding clearly, better to draw the respective truth table. What about truth table for the same? Observe this. Here, observe the truth table. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this, it is having 4 variables. Let variables are, the given variables are w, x, y, z. Let it is function. With 4 binary variables, we can make 16 combinations like this. What about first combination? 0 0 0 0. Next 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. What about the decimal values for the same? Decimal values 0, decimal values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, na? What about the first one? F of W00 Z is equal to 1. Means what about X and Y values 0, 0? What about X and Y values 0, 0? W variable, Z also variable. That's why first XY values 0, 0. Here XY value 0, 0, 0, 0. What is output? 1. XY value 0, 0, 0, 0. Not only there, here also 0, 0, 0, 0. Then what about WZ? Not needed to consider because those are variable, but these are fixed. Clear? Next. What about next one? Second one. F function 1x 1z is equal to x plus z. 1x 1z means W is 1, W is 1, Y is also 1, W is 1, Y is also 1, W1, Y1. Observe this. W1, W1, this combination, and Y1, W1, Y1, next W1, Y1, next W1, Y1. What about the output there? X plus Z. There, X plus Z. Observe this. X plus Z. X plus Z1, 1 plus 0, 1. Here, X plus 1 minute. Here, WY, WXYZ, WYR 1, 1. In this, WYR 1, 1, WYR 1, 1. What about output? Output is nothing but X plus Z. X plus Z, 0 plus 0, it becomes 0. Later, same, observe this. 0 plus 1, X plus Z, 0 plus 1, 1. Later, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Next, observe this. W1 YZ is equal to WZ plus Y. W1, this 1 represents X value. What about X? X is equal to 1. X1 means here, these 4. X1 means these 4. Next, these 4. Here, what about the value? WZ plus Y. WZ plus Y. Observe this. W into Z 0 plus Y 0. Next, W into Z. W Z plus Y. W into Z, 0 into 1, 0, plus Y 0. Next, observe this. W into Y, W into Z 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Next, W into Z, 0, W into Z, 0 into 1, 0, plus Y 1. At the same time, observe this. W into Z 0, 0 plus 0, 0. W into Z 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Already we know the same thing. We know the remaining things. What about this? 0. Okay. Write 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. In this. Right now we are discussing 4 variable K-map. It is used to get the expression for this truth table. This K-map is used to get the expression for this truth table. What about the left side inputs? WX. Right side inputs YZ. Now these are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Already we know the K-map. Observe this. Here, what about the min terms? Min terms are nothing but 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. First 0, 1, 0. Observe this first. 0, 1. Next. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 means 6, 7, 8, 9. Later. 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 11. Later. 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, 13, 14, 15. Clear? Now what about expression for this? Expression for this is like this. Because of these two, better to group these 4. Then we get a 2 variable term. What about these 2 variable? Here 0 is common, means x bar. X bar. Next, this 0 is common, means y bar. Means what about the term here? X bar, y bar plus. What about next one? Term is x bar, y bar plus. What about the next one? Because of these two, better to group this 4. Then we get x, y, then we get xy plus. Because of this one and this one, better to group these 4. Then we get w, z, w, z. In this expression, he asked the number of literals. How many literals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So correct answer is 6. Clear?